And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 43. Let me show you how you can flip an image. It's fairly easy, but first up, when you import an image, it might be locked. Double click on it, you can rename it, and this should unlock it automatically. So this little lock icon here is gone. I'll press Ctrl J to copy this, and to flip it now, we'll just press Ctrl T. This opens the transform options, so I can resize that and do other transformations. Right here you can cancel or confirm. We want to flip it, so again Ctrl T. And then right click on this image, and at the bottom you will see flip horizontal and flip vertical. You can press enter to confirm, like I did here, and here we can compare the original now to the flip one. Then press Ctrl T again, right click, I flip it vertically now, and I can confirm with this little check icon right here as well. And that's all there is. So again, Ctrl T is what you need on that specific layer that you want to flip, and you can flip images, shapes, text, whatever is on that layer, with a right click, and then you can choose flip horizontal and flip vertical. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.